Hi everyone. So now we are going to take up the third equation of motion, which is v square minus u square equals to 2as, and solve it by graphical method. So take a velocity time graph in a similar way as you have taken for solving the first two equations, the velocity on y-axis and time on x-axis, and the initial velocity of the body is u, right? So this will be the final v. This is O, A, then join these points. The graph will be made in the same way as for the other calculations. And this is the time t. So what will be the distance traveled? So as we know that distance will be the area of graph. So here the area of graph is area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. Which trapezium? AOCB. We can see this. These are two parallel lines. So what is the formula for the area of trapezium? Sum of parallel sides into height divided by 2. So here the sum of parallel sides OA plus BC into height OC divided by 2. What are these? OA equals to U, BC equals to V, and your OC equals to time. So we will put all these values here. So we know that from graph we have this. So S will be your U plus V into T over 2. Fine. And from the first equation of motion, what we know is V equals to U plus A T, right? So T will be this V minus U equals to AT, and T will be V minus U over A. Fine. So now we can put it here. This is your one equation. This is your two. So using 1 and 2, what we will get is 2s equals to u plus v, or v plus u will be the same thing. So we can replace it u plus v or v plus u, then v minus u instead of this t, right, over a. This will be complete, right? So 2as equals to v plus u plus v and v minus u. So using the formula of a square minus b square, what we can have is 2as equals to v square minus u square. So this is what we wanted to prove. So here the formula which we have used is a square minus b square, which is equivalent to a minus b and a plus b. So this is the formula which we have used here, the mathematical formula. So you can see again, make a velocity time graph in the same way, where velocity on y-axis, time on the x-axis, initial velocity is u and the final velocity is v. This is the time traveled. So distance will be the area of this trapezium, which is the sum of parallel sides into height divided by 2. Putting all the values of these height and parallel sides, and using first equation of motion to find out t, because we don't want t in our final equation, we will get this.